Now, what is Profit Academy? I'm calling it my legacy product. It's my staple product. It's the product that, by the way, we've already been selling in 2014, have done so very successfully, have tons of great case studies. It teaches anybody how to start from scratch to building a digital business empire. So anyone who wants to take any niche and build a digital product empire, content, software, but mostly education-related products. Now, we are splitting this whole thing into two phases. Phase one will be teaching them how to basically get started, how to build their first $100,000 using just email and affiliate promotions and building their first audience. Then phase two, which we're going to train and teach them on, is all about how to get their first digital product up and running, how to have their own sales process, their funnels, their back ends, and we're talking about how to make their first $1 million.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take action, please click the link in the description below this video now.